Hello, in front of me I've got F125. In this video I'll show you how to upgrade your vehicle in Challenge Carrier mode. In the beginning, let's go to Challenge Carrier and now enter Vehicle. Here, in Vehicle, you can improve internal combustion engine, motor generator unit, energy store, turbocharger, control electronics and gearbox. You can use points to upgrade the component. On the right side of the screen, you can see number of unit, track time wear, upgrade fitted, and durability improvement. In the bottom of the screen you can see expected lifetime and overall wear. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.